Hi Kickstarter, I'm Cora, and I created Hedge. Hedge is a unique and colorful line of products for you to create garden spaces in your home. Hedge can be used by anyone, anywhere. The concept for Hedge began when I was studying environmental design at Art Center. I was thinking a lot about garden design and how it relates to the way we live now. I wanted great options to create a garden in any space. So I created the Hedge pendants, mini pendants, and limited edition wall trellis. And now Kickstarter, I need your help. Your support will get the first run of manufacturing off the ground and ensure that the Hedge collection will be produced by craftspeople who are dedicated to quality production. I developed the prototypes here at Smith & Company, a family-owned business that's been in Los Angeles since 1933. This is where your Hedge products will be made. The Hedge collection is made of bent, welded steel, which is then powder coated and lined with a durable material made of recycled coconut fibers and organic latex that's commonly used in hydroponics. Each planter comes with matching hardware, a helpful guide on choosing plants that are right for your space, and tips on watering them, whether they're indoors or out. And I'll share something else I've been working on if we make our goal. Join me in making Hedge a reality. Just scroll down, choose your rewards, and welcome the Hedge collection into your home.
I'm gonna do something. And put some white here and here.